Hello everyone. I'm going to show you today how to use the Canvas external tool to add library resources to various modules or create a module itself for you to add the databases, and you can add specific live guides, and you can also add pages and other things. As you can see here, I already have a Canvas shell set up, and I'm going to be adding to the library resources section of the resources for writing and research module. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to go drop down here and we're using the external tool. And it will give you a list here of a lot of different tools that are out there. And the one we're going to focus on is the library research guides and databases. So I'm going to click on there. And we're going to go to the research guides. And then there's two types. We have guides. We can do a full live guide or a research guide, a single page from it, or even a box within it. Or we can do any of the databases. We can do the drop-down list. We can do it for a specific subject with a list and it includes contact information, or just specific subjects that have been chosen as a list only. We can also do specific databases, individual ones, and then if we have newer trial databases, you could choose from them. First of all, I'm going to start with the databases specifically that I'm going to be using in this class when I do an instruction module. So I'm going to go first to specific, and then I'm going to choose the first one I'm going to do is called CQ Researcher. Click on that, and I'm going to embed content. And then I'm going to add the item. And as you can see, it goes to the bottom, and then I can reorder them later on. It hasn't been published yet. So I want to show you what those look like. View content, this is what you'll see as the instructor. So you need to look at the view content to see what the student will see. And in this case, it's just a link. When they click on it, it will open a new window and take them directly to, after the validation, to the database. So it's a quick way, rather than just a link, for them to get to the databases. Now I'm going to show you how to embed a library or research guide. External tool. We want a full live guide. Again, I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see the choices. And in this case, we have a CQ Researcher live guide already set up, and we're going to land on the home page, and that's, I think, the default. So I'm going to embed the content and then add the item. It comes up CQ Researcher, and when I click on it, view the content, this is what the student will see. This is exactly if they went to this page through the library website to get to the research guide. And they can click on any of these particular side tabs. They can view the tutorials that are embedded. On the home page, we actually have some additional links here. We have some users guides. So it's a good way to get the library resources into your class without having to redirect the students to another location. It's all within Canvas, and then they do, except for when it takes them actually there, like when I clicked on the CQ Researcher database link. But it's all starts in Canvas. So we cut out a very long multi-step process for them to get to the database. They just click on it from that particular module page, and it opens in another page, and they are there. And so this is a really, really good way of making sure the students are looking at the databases and looking at the library resources that we have created specifically to help them with their research assignments. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask any of the librarians. We would be happy to do another demonstration, either via Zoom or however it works for you, to show you exactly what we're doing. Have a good day.